Hi guys, and welcome to this my YouTube channel. So today we're going to see about the another ones of the client script of the triggering points of the validate line. So how is the validate line to work? So basically, validate line we are using for the line level things to validate it. For example, this is my purchase order, okay, and I have just put the restrictions in like on quantity, like only under the the value of under the 100 will be like allow if anyone putting more than 100 like 100 quantity, so my line should be not be commit okay on the next lines. That's my is like the scenario. So then we will going to do it through the validate lines. So let's come on to my the code editor. Okay, so my code editor, so I will going to write the codes in front of you so you can easily get to know how to just writing the code of the validate line. Okay, so and first I have to define here NAP version. Okay, so these things are written. It's really important. If you're not going to return this, so your script will not going to work. Okay, so in my previous class I already told you like why we are writing these things. Okay, so you have watched it my the previous classes previous videos. Okay, so you will get the idea like why I'm writing these things in every of the coding when I'm writing any code of in a NetSuite. Okay, the client script. Okay, so now let's come on the syntax part of this define and function. Okay, so I will write here my validate line because this functionality which I'm validating on line level is will reach through the validate lines. Okay, trigger points, and I'm going to return here my validate line. Okay, now under this I will going to write my logics. So I will define the where we got variables. So context dot current record. So in my previous video, I explained about like why we are writing this context dot current record in client scripts. So you have to go and watch it. Okay. So let's I will going to get here my quantity just for line level sublist of item. Okay. So I will define the variable of quantity. So record get current sublist. Well, okay. My sublist ID is item because my quantity is under the item sublist. Okay. And my field ID is quantity because I'm validating on the quantity field. So quantity. Okay. Now here I will put the condition like if my quantity greater than 100, so I will get the alert not allowed more than 150. Okay. I will return here, return false. The script will going to fall from here, not execute. If it's less than 100 quantity, a script is allowed to commit the line. Okay, so I'm write the script on validated lines. Let's go on to deploy this script. Okay, for deployment process, it's very simple. Simply you have to come on you have come easily on this customizations under the scripting, script new. Okay, simply just come here and click on the new. Okay, so and choose your file. So just my client script. Okay, and save this already has a like same file I'm using for that. Okay, so that's why just I'm getting that notification for that. Okay, I will write here some like validate line. Okay, so I will go and save this. Once I save that, then I have to deploy it. Okay, so I will the search and my the transaction reports on which on transaction deploy my script on purchase order. Okay, so I'm putting the status in testing. Okay, I'm not set a release for everyone because I'm just doing for my own self. So I'm going to transaction purchase into purchase order. Okay, so let's go select here the vendor first. Okay, so I will choose any one vendor here. So AA consulting, it's my vendor. Okay, I will select here item. Okay, so any of item I will going to select here, and then I will write the enter the quantity. I will going to the quantity is like 101. Let's see. If I click on add, see, not allowed more than 100 quantity. Okay. So my validation is working now correctly. Let's enter 99. Okay, under 100. It will work or not? Yeah, it's work. Good. So that's one is a validate line. Okay. So if you have any like questions, any doubts on validate lines, you keep on the comment that, and even you can also you can also link with me through the LinkedIn. And if you need any support, any of like learn about the scripting, so you can also contact me on LinkedIn. I will teach you about the scripting and even the functional part also. So about the related of P2P, O2C process, inventory, manufacturing, how it will be going to do as functionally. So you want to make a career in functionally, so on there I will also help you. Even if you want to work as a technical, so I will also help you. Okay. So if you anyone like you want to become a techno function, so I will also help you. Okay, so guys, so so that's it in this video. So next video we will cover on other version trigger points of the client script. Okay, but till now, says bye, and please do subscribe. And if you will subscribe and if you share my this video, so then I will get more like motivational from your side. Then I will try to provide a free and I will try to my knowledge in free for you guys if you like subscribes and my videos. So thank you. Bye. Okay, everyone. Thanks.